So, what happened?
Having fun on the Mojave, and the Joshua tree, named after you, kind of had a field day with my mirror. What's left of it.
Wow, that's a hard hit. What's really cool is I was following behind about the same speed, hit the same tree with my mirror, and it actually took the hit. You want to see? Come here. Not even a mark, anything broken on the glass. That actually hit it pretty hard. So I say that's yet another win for Boost Auto.
I want one.
All right, so we're fairly certain that this is the culprit. Look how close to the trail it is. And these things, wow, if you look, we are not the first ones to hit this tree.
Hey, look, I found the cover.
There you go.
All the way over here. I'm going pretty fast.
We were moving pretty quick. Yeah, dude, we're not the first ones to hit this tree, man.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
You're a troublemaker, dude.
How many other pieces of other people's mirrors have you found so far?
Found another one. And I'm going to throw it away. They left it here, but I'll throw it away for them.
That's nice.
So after seeing what happened to Josh's mirror, or what didn't happen to Josh's mirror, I decided to purchase my own pair of Boost Auto mirrors. Stick around as we give you some pointers on the installation, and I share with you my opinion on these mirrors, whether I like them or maybe made the mistake of getting them. Those look like they're bigger, Josh.
I think they are, slightly.
Yeah. Hey, mine's bigger than yours. In case you want a comparison on how they look side by side next to each other, not us.
Oh.
The windows. The mirrors.
Right, okay. All right.
So through the process of elimination, we figured out a way to run these wires the easier way, because the last time I scratched up my whole tint and now I have to get new tint on my right door.
Basically, what they want you to do is they want you to run this plug down through this hole down here. Originally, they have you using fish tape, and they have you trying to thumb up around the window, around the guard, and out through the other hole. But we figured out that if you take the door trim off of here, you could actually pull the wire straight up through here, which gets it around the window. And then all you gotta do is just
move your finger. I gotta show them.
Then we just gotta stick it through the hole.
PG. Okay, you see how easy that is right there? And now all we gotta do is just run it this way.
And it comes right out that hole.
Come out. This guy right here is going to be your best friend, trust me, Mr. Needle Nose.
No joke, folks. On the passenger side, I think Stevens and I spent, the better part of an hour trying to figure out how to get this wire to fish through here. This side, it literally took 45 seconds. So the trick is take the window molding off and come up through the inside.
Which way? Let's show them exactly. Come up through there.
And up through here. And then down.
And you gotta need one of these things too. Let's see what the big deal about these. Holy. Yo, it's like another world in here. Wow. mirrors are really cool, but it takes some getting used to, because not only that you have 2 mirrors that you're used to, now I have 4 and my eyes are constantly going up and down looking around, but I can pretty much see everything. The only thing is that it takes away from your visibility looking at an angle, but the trade-off with the visibility that you lose to seeing around the side of your vehicle, I'll give it up. Yep, blind spots are a thing of the past with these things, man. I don't have to turn my neck all the way around. I see everything. So as far as blind spots, you have no problems with that. So that's my opinion and experience about these Boost Auto mirrors. I do like them, and I love the fact that they're made in America. Let me know in the comments, would you pass or would you get them? Either way, I'll leave a link in the description just so you can get them if you want to. Don't forget to like or dislike, but definitely subscribe. Till next time. In the theme of everything, we got some white and some black zip ties for me and Josh.
Nice.